In this video, we will see another locator technique which is called class locator technique. Using class locator technique, we can also identify or locate one particular element. So let's jump to eBay website, and here we are seeing on search button. Our target is to find this search button and then click this search button to go to the search page. To do this, we will use the class locator technique. By using class locator technique, we can also do the similar task. So at first we need to inspect the element. I'm going to right click on the search button, and from this menu I'm choosing the inspect one, and Chrome developer tool will bring us all the related code of that particular element. And here we are seeing there are many values are there. It starts with input tag, and then it has class id value. There are different attributes are here, but our goal is to use this class name as a locator technique. So here we are seeing the class attribute. It has couple of values, 1 2 3, three part of values like button and button prime, and then gh-spr. Three values are there, but we can use any of the value. If we double click, then we can select that element value. I'm choosing only one attribute value. There might be multiple, but this should be unique probably. Let me check. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm putting it here. And if I search, and I'm seeing that there is only one element is there. So using this class name, we can easily identify this locator. That means this search box, like search button element. So let's jump to Eclipse and write the necessary code for that. So I'm going to comment this line because we don't need it anymore, because we are using the name locator. We are not using the name locator technique. We are using the class locator technique. And the same way we have to write the code for that search button element locator using the class name. So I'm using the same object which is called driver, and after that I'm using the same method which is find element, not the find elements because there is only one element. So find element, and then inside it we have to use the class name. So I'm using by dot and class name. We are seeing that class name is suggesting Eclipse editor. This is called auto suggestion, and I just hit return key and it completed the class name method. And I'm putting double quotation mark inside it, and then let's copy the class name. So I'm jumping to the eBay website, and I'm going to copy this thing. I'm going to right click and then copy here. Basically, if we select copy, it is showing many things. So basically we can do another way. We can use our keyboard shortcut like Control C or Command C, like that way. So I'm going to copy this thing by hitting the Command C, the shortcut of my keyboard, and then I'm switching to Eclipse. And after switching the Eclipse, I will paste this value. So inside this double quotation, I'm going to paste the whole value. So okay, after pasting the whole value, I see it is copying the whole element. So let's do one thing. Let me remove the unnecessary part because we don't need this part. We only need the attribute value of class, and only one value is fine because that is also unique. And I'm removing the other text. Basically we don't need it. So once I remove everything, the code should be very clean looking. And at the end we need to add a semicolon, but we also need to do one other thing. We found the element by using this class name locator technique, but do you remember what we are trying to do basically? So we are trying to locate this element, and after that we want to click this button. So that action we need to configure in our code also. We can easily do or simulate this thing by using on method. The method name is called click method. So I'm typing a dot and then the method name, that is the action, like click, CLICK, and that's it. So the whole line is done. By this line, basically what it is doing, it is finding the locator and then it is going to click there. Now I saved it, and then I'm going to hit the green triangle to run the program. Once I hit the green triangle to run the program, then the browser will be open shortly. Once the browser is opened, it is going to ebay.com, and once it is in ebay.com, that it is finding the search button, and once it finds the search button, then it is going to click it. Once it is clicked, then we will be presented in this type of page. That means the whole automation is working fine by using the class name. And that's it. In this way we can easily use the class locator technique to identify some element and also do some actions. Like in this case we clicked over there, or you can also do other things, like you can also type something by using the send keys method. Hopefully after watching this video your knowledge of class name locator technique should be clear. If you have any issue or if you face any problem, please put in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.